In this video, I had to cover the SKU availability by unit of measure page. So many people have asked me about it and how they can see when they have items in different units of measure, how much they have on hand, and Microsoft has delivered. So I just had to do a video on it. Let's jump in and take a look here. So I'm going to go into my items. So I can see here that I've got this Amsterdam lamp, and I can see that I've got 10 pieces on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and drill into it. So as I mentioned here, I can see my quantity on hand. I can see that I have 10. I can see that my base unit of measure here is pieces. And if I go to related item units of measure, I'm able to see that I have pieces as my base unit. And I can also sell the lamp in a pack of 2. So that's just my standard unit of measure conversion that Business Central has always supported. And now what I can also do under item, availability by, I can see availability by units of measure. So I can see how this product was received. So now what I can see on hand is that I had received, or I have on hand, inventory received in pieces. I had 8. So they were on a purchase order, or if it was something I produced, it could be on a production order, and I received 8. And then here I can see that I also received 1 pack. So on hand, I have 1 pack, but I also have 8 individual lamps that I could sell. And of course, these are hyperlinks, so I can drill into this. So here I'm able to see the purchase receipt that was done. I'm able to see the order it was done on. And then here I'm able to see that 2 eaches were received, essentially, making it one pack. So this was just a really cool way, if I'm dealing with alternate units of measure, to be able to see how I'm working with that product. Of course, we have all the same stuff that we had previously with the gross requirement, able to see scheduled receipts, planned receipts, and use that for a little bit more in-depth analysis on my items. As always, if you have any questions on this feature or any of the features in Business Central, please don't hesitate to contact us using the information shown.